How to remove suggested contacts when sharing photos on Android. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'll guide you through a step-by-step tutorial on how to remove suggested contacts when sharing photos on Android. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to do it. So, without further ado, let's get started. Why disable suggested contacts? Disabling contact suggestions can make your sharing process smoother by removing unwanted recommendations. This helps create a more personalized experience and enhances your privacy by ensuring that only selected contacts appear, reducing the risk of accidentally sharing photos with the wrong person. Step 1. Open your Gallery app. First, open the Gallery or Photo app you're using. In my case, I'm using Google Photos, but if you're using a different Gallery app, the steps will still work. Step 2. Deny contact access. Now, we need to revoke the Gallery app's access to your contacts. Here's how. 1. Go to Settings on your phone. 2. Navigate to App Info, where you'll see a list of installed apps. 3. Find and select Google Photos, or your preferred Gallery app. 4. Tap Permissions and locate contacts. 5. Disable contact access by selecting Deny. If you're using a different Gallery app, follow the same process to turn off contact access. Step 3. Verify the changes. Once you've denied contact access, try sharing a photo. You'll notice that suggested contacts no longer appear, ensuring a cleaner and more private sharing experience. And that's it. You've successfully removed suggested contacts when sharing photos on Android. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.